Hi folks, Nick Ruiz here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm showing you a 2019 Ram 1500 Laramie. Stock number 28592T. Gorgeous truck. It's Patriot blue in color. Has a 5.7 Hemi in it, 8-speed transmission, automatic. We had this one equipped with a sport hood on it. Very sharp. It's got a level 1 kit on it, which you've got blind spot monitoring, your front park assist, etc. Very nice package. This Laramie, we've got black leather interior with a gray stitching here. There's Laramie stitched in. The super console here. So we got the buckets in this. They are both heated and cooled front seats. Uconnect 4, 8.4 touchscreen radio with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, CD player. Of course, this is a 4-wheel drive and a full crew cab. You've got cruise control, Uconnect hands-free radio, heated steering wheel, power pedals, memory seats, power folding mirrors, power drivers there. Very well equipped. This has a 20-inch premium painted aluminum wheels on it. Power sliding rear window. Slush mats, storage under the slush mat. There's the Laramie badging. You do have the dual chrome tipped exhaust integrated into the bumper. Tow package, backup camera. There's your 4x4 badging. To make these tailgates super light. That was effortless. Put that gate back up. You do have the rear parking assist as well as a backup camera. Power passenger seat. Very well equipped truck. Of course, this has a sport appearance package on this Laramie as well. Again, 2019 Ram 1500 Laramie, full crew, 4x4, Patriot blue. Here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Come see me, Nick Ruiz.